Good evening, everyone. We will provide you with instructions how to prepare your project. So we have to prepare a project for the economic topic, the role of entrepreneur in the economy and the relation with the market economy. So what you have to do, you have to select a product, like a product that you are familiar with, and provide illustrations with the product. How the entrepreneur is very important in the market economy. That means you need to provide many example, search from your around you, from your community, your neighborhood, your city, or from the web. You have to provide example to support the explanation. And for the technology, for the purpose of the project, you will use Google features, specifically Google Slides. We also use Google Drive. You're familiar with Google Drive, but also in some specific cases, Google Assistant. But remember, for Google Assistant, to use Google Assistant, you need to have a device or phone that have an updated version, the last version. And as a requirement, once you download, first you download the app, Google Slides, but also you need to subscribe to the group, to our group, business education group, so you can access to my presentation on the topic, the role of entrepreneur in the market economy, and also to share your presentation to the other students and see presentation from other students and interact with them on the presentation, make discussion, ask questions. As I said, my presentation on the topic it's available on Google Slides, so you can see that. Remember, this is my presentation. You can access that on Google Slides. Remember, you need a Gmail account to subscribe to our group, and that's for your Gmail account. Once you have an Android phone and smartphone, you're supposed to have a Gmail account. And then you have to download the app on your phone or your tablet. It's very easy because Google is very accessible and common. So you download the Google Slides. Remember, your project is about a portfolio. You have to select portfolio. That means we will have to track your work. We will have to follow you during the process of doing your work at every step. So that's why your work is about a portfolio. So what we have to do every time you make a search, you have collected the results, like an image, an audio file, a video file from the web, or your own or video presentation. You get to insert that on your portfolio, so we can see that, the group can see that, and react to that. And you have to share that. Remember, you can make your search, as I said, from the web or from around you, also from your people around you, from your community, from your neighborhood. You can make the search. And for example, remember we said you have to select a product. Let's see, for example, I made a video presentation for my product, the product that I have selected, and I insert the video presentation from my camera. I am going to insert that on my portfolio. So you can see that I insert the presentation, my video presentation, on my portfolio. Once you do the presentation, you have to share the presentation so other people, other students can see the presentation, and you can see the presentation and react to your presentation. Remember also, you need to interact with other students with the presentation, make comments, ask questions, raise discussion. The project can be done individually or in a team, but remember, the team must have less than 3 students, and everyone in the team should participate. It's very important. and we have to make sure that everyone in the team participate in the work. Particularly when doing audio or video presentation, it must be visible that everyone participate. And also in the comment, all I have to say is good luck.